Hello everyone, today I will show you the assembly steps of the Beast and Beauty electronic kit. Electronic kits require functional testing before assembly. Put 3A batteries in the battery box. Turn the power switch to the on position on far left, and check whether the light board and headlight are always on, and whether the small light is flashing. Touch the touch switch once to check whether the light board and headlight are always on, whether the small light is flashing, whether the rotation axis is rotating, and whether the speaker is playing music. Touch the touch switch a second time to check if all lights are turned off normally, whether the rotation axis stops turning, and whether the speaker pauses music. After the test is completed, turn the power switch to the off position. Remove the two terminals. Do not pull the wires when removing them to avoid breaking them. Take out the wire with the small light, C4, remove F20, acrylic plate, J1, acrylic plate, J2. Assemble them in sequence and fix the small light, C4. Remove F21, F14, and F4 for assembly. Remove D4 and D3 for assembly. Remove D19 and F13 for assembly, and pass the wire through the port of F13. After assembling D10, D17, F22, and D12, assemble it with the hole. Remove F19 for assembly. Remove F15 and F5 for assembly. Then assemble it together with the hole. Completed the assembly of the Fireplace, B23. Take out the motor, C12, E27, 2A10 screws, and 2A11 nuts. Fix the motor on E27 with screws and nuts. Remove E26 and E28 for assembly. Remove the E3 and sand it with sandpaper and wax block to polish the areas that need polishing. Take out the part you just assembled, remove the F11 and assemble them. Remove E3, take out the wire with 3 light board, take out 2H1. Use 2H1 to fix the breathing light, C7, on the E3. Take out the parts you just assembled and assemble them. Push the parts into the E3 at an angle. Be careful when assembling the parts because they are easy to break. Remove F9 and 2F12 for assembly. Take out 2F8 and F10, polish F10 with sandpaper and wax block, and then assemble them together. Take out the parts you just assembled and assemble them. Then assemble it into the hole. Take out one A12 screw and use it to tighten the fixed part. Remove E43 for assembly. Take out the character, B24, for assembly. Remove E19 and E4 for assembly. Remove C14 and E45 for assembly. Take out the magic mirror, B25, for assembly. Then pass the wire through the small hole of E3 to complete the assembly of B26. Take out the battery box and remove the F16. Take out 4A3 screws and 4A4 nuts. Assemble the battery box with F16. Tighten the battery box with screws and nuts. Take out B23, B26, and remove H5. Assemble them together in sequence. Note that all wires are placed on the right side of H5. Take out the flower window for assembly. Take out the stairs, B22, and assemble them to complete the assembly of B27. Take out the single light board, C6, remove C1 and 2H6. Use 2H6 to fix the single light board, C6, on C1. Remove I6 for assembly. Remove C17 for assembly. Take out the speaker, C10, remove I3, I4, I9, I1, and I2. Assemble them in sequence to fix the speaker. Assemble the speaker with the membrane facing up. If you assemble it the other way around, the sound will be reduced. Do not press on the speaker membrane to avoid damaging the parts. Then assemble it with the hole. Completed the assembly of the speaker components, B28. Take out the light board, C8, C9, remove H3, 3H1, H6. Assemble them in sequence, and use H1 and H6 to fix the light board on H3. Take out the chandelier, B30, remove D20 and assemble them. Take out the speaker assembly, B28, and assemble them. Completed the assembly of B31. Remove the B13 and 2A13 screws, and remove C10 and C20. Remove the touch switch, C3. Use screws to fix the touch switch, C3, to C20 and C10. Take out the mainboard, C13, and remove the 2A5 screws. Fix the mainboard on B13 with screws. Assemble the terminals into the corresponding positions on the mainboard. Turn on the switch, check whether the small light is on, whether the rotation axis is rotating, and whether the touch switch can be controlled. After the inspection is completed, turn the switch to off. Remove H30 and assemble H30, B27, and B13. After arranging the wires, assemble the B31. Completed the assembly of B32. Arrange the wires and pass the headlight, C5, through the small hole below. Remove C12 and H4, and fix the headlight, C5, by assembling it. Remove H4 and G23, take out the corridor with roses, and assemble them in sequence. Take out B5 for assembly. Remove 2H2 and I7 for assembly. Then assemble the part with touch switch. Assemble 2H2 and fix the wires. Arrange the wires, take out the 3H2 and fix the wires by assembling them. Remove B5 for assembly and secure the excess wires. Arrange the wires as shown in the video, and then proceed to the next step of assembly. Remove I8 for assembly. Note that the wires should be placed inside the H5. Remove G2 for assembly. Remove I5 for assembly. Remove C33, C34, and C31 for assembly. After the plastic sheet K1 and D8 are glued together, they are assembled into the hole. After the plastic sheet K3 and D7 are glued together, they are assembled into the hole. Take out the transparent dust cover, A25, and assemble. Please tear off the film on the surface before assembly. Complete the assembly of the Beast and Beauty. Turn on the switch and the light comes on. Touch the touch switch, the music starts, and the character starts to turn slowly. Touch the touch switch again, and the music and lights will be turned off.